Good morning friends, welcome back to Panika Tutorials. In this video, I want to discuss how to write a Python program to verify given number is happy number or not. First let me define what is a happy number. A number is said to be happy if it yields when replaced by the sum of squares of individual digits repeatedly. Okay, then we will say it is a happy number. Now let me discuss with an example. Let me take the input n is 13. Now 13 you need to find the what individual digits now. What is the individual digits in the number 13? 1 and 3. Now compute the squares of the individual digit. 1 square is what? 1 into 1 plus 3 into 3 you need to do, because you need to find the squares of the individual digit and then you need to compute the sums. Look at the definition here. The sum of the squares of individual digits repeatedly. So 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9. So 1 plus 9 is 10. Now is it a single digit? No. Again what you need to do, you need to apply the process again. So what is the individual digits in 10? 1 and 0. Now compute the 1 square plus 0 square. Okay, so look at here, 1 square is 1, 0 square is 0, so 1 plus 0 is 1. Now you got the single digit and the single digit is 1, so I can say 13 is happy number. Is it clear? Similarly, if you want to take another example, let me take the input as 32. Okay, now what you need to do, the first step, you need to compute the individual digits, which are 3 and 2. Then you need to compute the 3 square and then 2 square, compute the sum. So 3 square is how much? 9, and then 2 square is 4. So 9 plus 4 is 13, which is not a single digit. Again you will repeat this step. Again you will compute the individual digits, which is 1 and 3, compute the square of 1 and then compute the square of 3, which is 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9, so 1 plus 9 is 10. Again it is not a single digit. Again we will repeat this step. What we will do? First we will find the individual digits of 10, which is 1 and 0. What we will do? We will compute the 1 square and also we will compute the 0 square and then we will perform the addition. 1 square is 1, 0 square is 0, so 1 plus 0. Now we got the single digit, which is 1, so I can say 32 is happy number. Is it clear? Similarly, what we will do is that we will take one more example. Let me take 23. Okay, so look at here. What are the individual digits here? 2 and 3. What we will do is that first we need to compute the square of the individual digits, which is 2 square and 3 square. Then you compute the sum. 2 square is how much? 4. What is the 3 square? Is 9. Okay, then 4 plus 9 is 13. Now again it will become a happy number. If you have a doubt, look at here. Again what you will do, with 13 is not a single digit, so again you need to repeat the step. So what is the individual digits, which is 1 and 3? So 1 square will be 1, 3 square is 9, so which is sum is 10. Now 10 is not a single digit. Again you need to repeat the step. What you need to do? First you need to find the individual digit 1 and 0. So 1 square plus 0 square is 1. So I can say I got the single digit, which is 1. So I can say it is a happy number. We'll take one example. We will try our luck. At least we got some number which is a single digit and which is not 1. We'll take 35. 35, what you need to do? We need to compute the sum of the square of the individual digits. Okay, so 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, you will get 34. Okay, now 34 is not a single digit. Again you need to repeat the step. 3 square plus 4 square, which is 9 plus 16, which is equal to 25. Now it is not a single digit. Again you need to repeat the step. Okay, so 2 square plus 5 square, which is nothing but 4 plus 25, okay, which is 29, which is not a single digit. Again you will compute the same step. 2 square you will compute plus 9 square you will compute. Okay, 2 square is 4, 9 square is 81, you will compute the sum as 85. Is it clear? Now 85 is not a single digit. Okay, so again what you will do, 8 square is 64, 5 square is 25, then what you will get, 64 plus 25 is 89. Okay, 89 is not a single digit. Again you will repeat the step. 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, then you will get 145, I think. Is it clear? So now you are not getting the single digit. If you are repeating the step, look at here, 145, 1 square you will get 1, 4 square you will get 16, okay, and then 5 square you will get 25. Look at the number, 42 you are getting, okay. Now again what you need to do, 4 square which is 16 plus 2 square is 4, okay. Is it clear? So which is 20. Now 20, again you need to repeat the step. 2 square is 4, 0 square is 4. Now you got the single digit finally. Okay, after doing lot of iteration, we got that single digit which is not equal to 1. So I can say 35 is not a happy number. I hope you have understood what is a happy number, what is not a happy number. Now with this background knowledge, we will write the program, okay, because our objective is to write the program. So first what we will do, we will take the input from the user, okay. How to read the input from the user? I will take some n is equal to, okay, n is equal to int of input of enter the number, okay, enter the number. Once the user have entered the number, I will compute the I will store this n in some variable called x. Then I will write the program. Let me write the program first, okay, then I will discuss the logic with you. While x is greater than or equal to 10, then sum is equal to 0. While x greater than 0, then I need to compute the rem is equal to x modulus 10. Then I need to compute the sum. So sum is equal to sum plus rem power 2. So rem into 2 I will do. Okay, then again I need to reduce the x value. So x is equal to x floor division 10. Then finally I will keep the sum in the x. Then finally I will write here, if x is equal to 1, then I will say print n is happy number, okay, n is happy number. Else I will say, okay, number spelling is wrong, let me correct it, okay, else I will say n is not a happy number, n is not a happy number, okay. Now look at here, let me run the program. We will give the input as 13. Just now we have discussed that 13 is a happy number. Is our program is giving the same output or not? We will verify. Yes, we got the 13 is a happy number. Similarly what we will do, 34 we will give, okay. Look at here, 34 is not a happy number, okay. Similarly we have taken 35. 35 is not a happy number. Similarly what we will do, we will take 19, okay. 19 is a happy number. Yes, our program is giving 19 is a happy number, okay. What we will do is that by taking the n value is 19, we will trace this program how it is working, okay. N is 19, then next step is x is equal to n. So x will get the value 19. Then you have the outer while loop, because inside a loop you have another loop. So this is nested loops condition and it is a nested while loop. So this loop will say outer loop, okay. So what is the condition? X should be greater than or equal to 10. What is the x value now? 19. 19 is greater than or equal to 10. Yes, the condition is true because 19 is greater than 10. Okay, if the condition is true, the statements which are there in the outer loop will be executed. What is the sum value you are taking? 0. Then you are having another condition, while condition, okay. What is the condition? X should be greater than 0. What is the x value? 19. Is 19 is greater than 0? Yes, the condition is true. If the inner while loop condition is true, the statements which are there in the inner while loop will be executed. What is the first statement? REM is equal to x modulus 10. What is the x value? 19. 19 modulus 10. Remember one thing, always the modulus operator will give you the remainder. 19, if you divide by 10, you will get the remainder as 9. Okay, so that REM will have the value 9 now. Then sum is equal to sum plus sum value is how much? 0 plus REM, which is 9 power 2. 9 power 2 is how much? 81. So 81 plus 0, you will get 81. So sum will have the value 81 right now. So look at, keep this sum as 81. Okay, then x is equal to x floor division 10. X is equal to x floor division 10. So x value is how much? 19. 19 floor division 10 will give you the quotient. What is the quotient? 1. So x will have the value 1 now. So previously x is having value 19. Now x is having the value 1. Okay, now look at here. What you will do? Again, you need to verify this condition of the inner while loop, not the outer loop, because till you are verifying this condition, means if the condition of the inner while loop is true, then you will execute the statements of inner while loop. Once the condition of the inner while loop is failed, then you will go for the outer loop. So what is the x value right now? 1. Is 1 is greater than 0? Yes, the condition is true. If the condition is true, what you will do? Again, you will execute the statements which are there in the inner while loop. What is the first statement? REM is equal to x modulus 10. X modulus 10 means 1 modulus 10, you will get 1. So REM will have the value 1. Then sum is equal to sum plus. What is the sum value currently? 81 plus REM is having the value 1. So 81 plus, let me write here, 81 plus 1 square. 1 square is how much? 1. So 81 plus 1 is 82. Then x is equal to x floor division 10. 1 floor division 10 will get the x value, which is quotient is 0. Okay, so now look at here, x value is 0. You will again verify the condition. Is x is greater than 0 or not? Is 0 is greater than 0? No, the condition is false. If the condition is false, the statements which are there in the inner while loop will not be executed. The next statement after the inner while loop will be executed, which is x is equal to sum. What is the sum is having the value? 82. That will come in the variable x. Now x is having the value 82. As all the statements which are there in the outer while loop are done, again you will verify the condition of the outer while loop. What is the condition? X should be greater than or equal to 10. What is the x value? 82. Okay, 82 is greater than or equal to 10. Yes, the condition is true. If the condition is true, again the statements which are there in the outer while loop will be executed, which is sum is equal to 0. Again the sum will be 0. Then next you have the inner while loop condition. So you will verify the condition. What is the condition? X should be greater than 0. What is the x value? 82. 82 is greater than 0. Yes, the condition is true. If the condition is true, again the statements which are there in the inner while loop will be executed. What is it? REM is equal to x modulus 10. What is the x value? 82. 82 modulus 10 will give you the remainder as 2. So REM will have the value 2. Then sum is equal to sum plus. What is the sum initial value? 0. 0 plus 2 power 2. So 2 power 2 will give you 4. So 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Okay, so now sum is having the value 4. Now you need to perform the next step is x is equal to x floor division 10. What is the x value? 82. 82 floor division 10 will give you the quotient as 8. So x value will become 8. Okay, then again you will verify the condition. What is the condition? X greater than 0 or not. What is the x value? 8. 8 greater than 0. Yes, the condition is true. If the inner while loop condition is true, again the statements which are there in the inner while loop will be executed. Rem is equal to x modulus 10. What is the x value? 8. 8 modulus 10 will give you the remainder as 8. So Rem will have the value 8. Then sum is equal to sum plus Rem power 2. Okay, sum is currently having the value 4. Then Rem will have the value 8. So 4 plus 8 power 2, which is nothing but 64. Am I right? So you got the 68 now. Okay, x is equal to x floor division 10. What is the x value? Currently 8. 8 floor division 10 will give you the quotient as 0. So as the x value became 0, again you will verify the, because all the statements in the inner while loop are done, then again you will execute what? You will verify this condition. What is the condition? X greater than 0. What is the x value? 0. Is 0 is greater than 0? The condition is false. If the condition is false, what you have to do? You cannot execute the statements which are there in the inner while loop. Okay, are you able to understand? So what is the next statement? X is equal to sum. What is the sum is currently having? 8 power 2 is 64, 64 plus 4, 68. So x is having the value 68. Okay, because sum is having the value 68, so that you are assigning to the variable x. So x is having the value 68 now. So again you keep the 68 in place of x. As the statements which are there in the outer while loop are done, again you will verify the condition. Okay, what is the condition? X should be greater than or equal to 10. What is the x value? 68. 68 is greater than or equal to 10. Yes, the condition is true. If the condition is true, again you have to execute the statements which are there in the outer while loop, which is sum is equal to 0, x greater than 0. That is the condition you have for the while loop. What is the x value? 68. 68 greater than 0. Yes, the condition is true. Is it clear? See, it is becoming lengthy, but you need to understand the why you have written each statement. You need to trace with an input. Okay, so Rem is equal to x modulus 10. What is the x value? 68. 68 modulus 10 will give you the remainder, which is 8. So Rem will have the value 8. Sum is equal to sum plus sum initial value is 0. Again it was made it as 0. So 0 plus 8 square, which is nothing but 0 plus 64, sum will have the value 64. Then x is equal to x floor division 10. Okay, so what is the x value? 68. 68 floor division 10 will give you 6. Okay, then again you will verify the inner while loop condition. What it is? X greater than 0. What is the x value right now? 6. Okay, let me write here 6. 6 is greater than 0. Yes, the condition is true. Then again you will execute the statements which are there in the inner while loop. What it is? Rem is equal to x modulus 10. What is the x value? 6. 6 modulus 10 will give you the remainder as 6, that you are keeping in the Rem variable. Okay, then sum is equal to sum plus Rem power 2. What is the sum value? 64. Rem is 6. So you need to compute 64 plus 6 square is 36. So you got 100. Okay, then x is equal to x floor division 10. What is the x value? 6. 6 floor division 10 will give you the quotient as 0. So now x value became 0. Okay, now you will again verify the condition of the inner while loop. What is the condition? X greater than 0. 0 is greater than 0. No, the condition is false. If the condition is false, the statements which are there in the inner while loop will not be executed. The next statement will be executed, which is x is equal to sum. What is the sum is having the value? 100. That you are assigning to the variable called x. Now x is having the value 100. Now look at here. All the statements which are there in the outer while loop are done. Then again you will verify the condition. What is the condition? X is greater than or equal to 10 or not. What is the x value? 100. 100 is greater than or equal to 10. Yes, the condition is true. If the condition is true, again you need to execute the statement. Sum is equal to 0. Okay, fine. Then x greater than 0. What is the x value? 100. 100 greater than 0. Yes, the condition is true. If the condition is true, again the statements which are there in the inner while loop will be executed. What is that? REM is equal to x modulus 10. What is the x value? 100. 100 modulus 10 will give you the remainder as 0. Okay. Now next statement, sum is equal to sum plus. What is the sum initial value? 0. 0 plus 0 power 2, which is nothing but 0 only, because 0 plus 0 power 2 is also 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Then x is equal to x floor division 10. What is the x value? 100. 100 floor division 10 will give you the quotient as 10. Then x value became 10 now. Okay. Then again you will verify the condition of the inner while loop, because all the statements which are there in the inner while loop are done. Then again you will verify the condition. What is the condition? X greater than 0. What is the x value? 10. 10 is greater than 0. Yes, the condition is true. Again you need to execute the statements of the inner while loop. REM is equal to x, which is 10 modulus 10 will give you the remainder as 0. So REM is 0. Sum is equal to sum plus sum is 0. 0 square, again you will get the 0. Then x is equal to x now is 10. 10 floor division 10 will give you the quotient as 1. Now x is having the value 1. All the statements which are there in the inner while loop are done. Then again you will verify the condition. What is the condition? X should be greater than 0. Yes, the condition is true. Again you will verify, execute the statements. REM is equal to x modulus 10. 1 modulus 10 will give you the remainder as 1. So REM will have the value 1. Sum is equal to sum plus 0 plus REM power 2. So 0 plus 1 will give you the 1. Okay. So sum is having the value 1. X is equal to x floor division 10. 1 floor division 10 will become the x quotient as 0. Okay. So x value became 0 now. As all the statements which are there in the inner while loop are done, again you will verify the condition. What is the condition? X should be greater than 0. What is the x value? 0. 0 is greater than 0. The condition is false, because 0 is equal to 0. As the inner while loop condition is false, the statements which are there in the inner while loop will not be executed. The next statement after the inner while loop will be executed. X is equal to sum. What is the sum? Is having the value 1. So x will get the value 1. Keep that x value as 1. Then as the statements which are there in the outer while loop are done, again you will verify the condition of the outer while loop. What is the condition? X should be greater than or equal to 10. What is the x value? 1. Is 1 is greater than 10? No. Is 1 is equal to 10? No. The condition is false. As the outer while loop condition is false, the statements which are there in the outer while loop will not be executed. The next statement after the outer while loop will be executed. What is it? It is an if condition. What is the condition? X is equal to 1 or not, you need to verify. What is the x value? 1. 1 is equal to 1. So the if condition is true. If the if condition is true, the statements which are there in the if block will be executed. Print n. N is having value how much? 19 is a happy number. I hope it is a lengthy video. I hope finally you are also very happy. If you still have any doubts related to this program, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.